The best thing about bananas is you can get them all year. Bananas grow quickly, so it's interesting to watch. At the end of the day, when you see a good product going out the shed, loaded on a truck to go to Coles, that's a self-satisfaction for me. I'm Greg from CTR Banana Group, Mareeba. I've been growing bananas for 37 years. Typical day, I get up around 4 and I just go around and making sure everything's running smoothly. We've got 115 hectares is the size of our plantation. We knock out our old blocks and rotate the farm to keep the farm young. So we also do crop timing as well to keep that supply up to Coles all the time. It's a good relationship. I've been supplying Coles for 25 years and we plant every year and we knock out every year.
It's shown when you go into a Coles store down the east coast, you'll see your bananas there and they are actually of really good quality.
Yeah, I am proud of what we do and the product is a good product.
Yeah, should be proud of it.
So I've got my son Ryan here with me. He's learning well and coming along well.
I'm a third generation farmer after granddad and my dad. The reason I like coming to work is because I'm proud of what we do and the quality that we produce, and I get to work alongside my father.
This year has been a great year for bananas. We generally harvest bananas in summertime around 12 to 13 weeks. In wintertime we could be 18 to 21 weeks because it's cooler. The trees don't grow as quick. My favourite banana recipes. My wife makes a beautiful banana cake. You should try it. I just like growing bananas and I like the lifestyle. Hopefully in the future I can step aside and he takes over and I'll be here.